Hi friends and welcome back, and if you're stopping by for the first time, welcome to my happy home. I am so happy that you could join me. You guys, I know this video is a little on the late side. It's been due for a little while now. It is my summer decor that I'm going to share with you in this video. I know with the spring I said I wanted to get this video to you sooner, and I'm still planning to do my fall decor sooner than halfway or mid-fall season. So I am working really hard to get that to you in time, you guys. But anyway, my summer decor, let me talk to you about that just a little bit before I go ahead and show you. If you've been following me, then you know that I am loving the farmhouse style lately, and I've been trying to incorporate touches of farmhouse in my decor, and I think I did pretty well. And leave me a comment down below what you think after you've seen this video, because I really like to know what your thoughts are. If you've seen my spring decor, then you know that I did I would like to say a lot of pink, but I did incorporate pink in my decor, and I totally love that. But for now, I just toned it down a little, and I took out some of the pink and I switched it out for more greenery in my decor. So yeah, without any further ado, let me share with you my summer decor. Before I show you, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below. And if you're a new visitor, I would love for you to hit that subscribe button and become a resident of my happy home. So enjoy this video.